Imagine this. You stumble upon a video showing these incredible furniture pieces, and your first thought is, wow, I want that in my house. That's exactly why these kinds of videos blow up. As a creator, how do you ride this wave and make similar content using AI tools? That's what I'm here to show you today. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the process of creating these videos with AI. So stick around, make sure you watch till the end. There are a few crucial details you won't want to miss because skipping them could wreck your entire project. I highly recommend you follow along and do each step with me. By the time you finish watching, you'll pretty much have your own masterpiece ready to go, though you might need a short wait for any animations to render. Alright, first things first. Where do we find inspiration? Whenever you need ideas, hop onto YouTube and see what top creators in your niche are doing. For example, there's a channel with over 174K subscribers, and its best performing video gained 7 million views in just over a month. Other videos with millions of views were also posted not too long ago. That's massive potential, and trust me, there's still plenty of room for more growth. By the way, I'll share some of my own YouTube Shorts tips at the end, so don't miss out. Now that we've got our inspiration, how do we turn that into images? Head over to ChatGPT. Copy the channel info and the video title, paste them in, and tell ChatGPT to give you similar design ideas. Bam! ChatGPT starts analyzing and spits out suggestions. For instance, say you like the idea of mineral crystal kitchen islands. Type in, "Give me 10 ideas of mineral crystal kitchen islands." Next, ask for detailed prompts to generate AI images and animate them in Hailuo AI. Make sure to specify that each prompt should have at least 4 to 5 sentences and be photorealistic. That's the magic of AI. ChatGPT provides the prompts you need for both the images and the animations. Pretty cool, right? Next, copy those prompts and head to Pixelman AI. Click Launch App, paste in the prompts, pick the Pixelman Art V1 model, and set the ratio to 9:16. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Generate each image, choose the best ones, and download them to your computer. Then it's time to bring these images to life. Copy the animation prompts and go to Hailuo AI. Paste them in. Pick your desired camera motion, like a rotating view. And click Generate. Repeat this for each image. If you don't like the results, just generate again. If you do, download everything and save it. Finally, let's edit. Open CapCut, import all your clips, and drop them into the timeline. Trim out the watermarks, resize the clips, tweak the speed, and remove any footage you don't love. Add transitions, maybe a filter, and subtitles. Top it all off with some background music. Then export your final product. Boom, done.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. So honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
If you've made it this far, chances are you've got the process down. Share your finished work in the comments. I'd love to see what you create. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Oh, and I'll be posting all the prompts I used in my WhatsApp channel. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. Now, about making money with this content. Just copy the channel link, go to YT Large, paste the link, and punch in the CAPTCHA. Bam! You'll see that channel is monetized. So if anyone says AI videos can't earn ad revenue, you'll know better. Don't stress too much about passing YouTube's YPP guidelines. First, focus on growing your views and subscribers. Once you have a strong following, there are tons of ways to monetize: affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and more. Ad revenue is only one slice of the pie. So your main goal right now is to pick a solid niche, dive in, and grow your channel. For YouTube Shorts specifically, pay attention to a few things. First, post during times when your target audience is likely to be online. Also include 3 to 5 trending tags in your title, and then put any other relevant tags in your video description. After posting, keep an eye on 2 numbers: your average percentage viewed and how many people choose to watch. If both metrics are above 80%, YouTube will show your videos to even more viewers. If your video doesn't hit those marks, work on improving it next time. That's all for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it around. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and feel free to check out my previous videos too. Hope they help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck!